Okay, so tonight on Garage Time we are installing gas struts to help us lift our pop top. In a previous video you might have seen we installed a cargo carrier on the roof. Not sure if the camera's getting it, but we have our crossbars and cargo carrier on the roof. That added a bit of weight. Now I didn't think it was going to add too much. I'm not a really strong guy. I could not lift the pop top alone. I needed help to get it up. So we've ordered this gas strut kit. We got ours from Bus Depot. Seems like a fairly straightforward install. You drill one hole here, one hole up here, put your strut on, and we did go for the heavy duty kit. These are each rated at 120 pounds of force each, so total we have our 240 pounds of force. That should help us lift up our pop top. So we'll go ahead and get that going now. First step in your mechanism is to drill a hole 7 inches and in the center. So I have read the instructions and gone through this. So there we go, that's exactly centered in 7. So we will go ahead, get our scribe. Make a divot. Now you can see I have thick steel I brought up just so when I do poke through I don't hit my canvas. Go ahead and drill a pilot hole first. That is why you have the steel there, or plywood or something of that sort. You saw I hit it. Would have poked a hole right through my top. So now I will drill my final hole size. Okay. So we don't need the steel anymore. Okay, so I'm going to leave that a little loose for now until I get everything lined up, and then I will tighten them at the end. So it says from the center of the ball, I'm going to go 20 and 1/8. So around there is where I need my tape. So I'll mark that up. I'll put a couple pieces just to make sure I get my X where I need it. So it wants us to also come up 4 inches. So let's see here, we're going to put that right in the center. And I do account for the arc in your tape measure in the instruction because it bends when you push it. on top. Trying to do a lot of things at once here, but 20 and 8 is there, so let's go back, double check. 20 and 8. And if I come to this point and measure up 4 inches, I'm right there, so that's about my mark. Now I'll just, for fun, hold this in place just to get an idea, feeling and touch-wise, if that seems about right, which it does. So that's how that will melt on. So I'll leave that for now. Double check my measurement one last time because I am drilling through the fiberglass. I'll take my scribe. Make a divot. Get my drill. That's why I have this block of wood here for the fiberglass. Put that behind so I don't go through my top. Okay. So this one I'm going to put just a small amount of silicone around the hole. Not that water would leak in, it will still run down here, but keep it out if we can. Okay, and a little bit loose. So we will go ahead and attach the top. Okay, that one's connected. And then we will go ahead and push on the bottom. And we'll go ahead and get these tightened. Okay, so a little bit of silicone squeezed out. So just clean that up. Remove all of our tools and we'll give it a try. Okay, so here's the moment of truth. I'm going to lower it down with the struts on and then try to lift it up again myself. Hopefully this works as expected. So definitely took a lot more effort to close than it did before. But here's the moment I didn't show you before, but I couldn't lift it myself. I needed help, so let's see if I can lift it now. So, struts worked as planned. I can lift the roof. That's a good thing. It was much easier than I even expected. I could almost do that with one hand. I'll show you one more time. Here we go. One hand. Oh, okay, one hand doesn't work. Two hands, no problem. Alright, so problem solved. We now have our carrier. We can open and close the Poptop again. Everything is good. We're ready to go camping. Alright, so there it is. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you out there.